Class 12, let us continue the chapter exercise determinant exercise 2b. A square b, sum number 11. A square bc, b square ca and c square ab, that is equal to 1 a square a cube, 1 b square b cube, 1 c square c cube. Okay, this we have to prove. So let's start with the left hand side. A square bc, b square ca, c square ab. Okay. Let us multiply. First row let us multiply by a, second row by b, and the third row by c. So when we are going to multiply by abc, then we have to divide by abc. Okay, then it will be a square, a into a square, a cube, abc. Done. It is b square, b cube, abc, c square, c cube, abc. Okay. Now take common abc. Then what we will get? abc by abc. A square a cube 1, b square b cube 1, c square c cube 1. Okay. For ABC by ABC, so it is coming only this. So this is equals to, we have to prove first column as 1, 1, 1. Okay. So let us change the first column and the second column. Then 1 minus will be here. Then what we will write? A square, b square, c square, 1, 1, 1, and a cube, b cube, c cube. No, what I did? A cube, 1 minute. Once. A cube, b cube, c cube. A square, a cube, okay, done. So at first we have to change second column and the third column. Let us change. So it will remain same. A square, b square, c square, and it will be 1, 1, 1, and here it will be a cube, b cube, c cube. One second column and third column changed. Okay. Next again, first we have to make first column as 1, 1. So let us take another minus, another change. That means second column will be at first column. So 1, 1, 1, and the first column will be at the second column. So it will be a square, b square, c square, and it is a cube, b cube, c cube. Done. So minus minus plus. So ultimate, at last what we will get? 1 a square a cube, 1 b square b cube, 1 c square c cube. Okay, which is equal to right hand side. Proved. Okay, next sum number 13. Second, this is sum number 13. It's a big sum, very big sum. Now cos x minus a, cos x plus a, cos x, sin x plus a, sin x minus a, sin x, and then cos a tan x, cos a cot x, cosec 2x. that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. This is the question. So obviously we will start from the left hand side. So let us add first column and the second column. So what we will write? C1 dash is C1 plus C2. Okay. Now cos x minus a plus cos x plus a, sin x plus a plus sin x minus a, cos a tan x plus cos a cot x, cos x plus a sin x minus a, cos a cot x, cos x sin x cosec 2x. C1 plus C2. Okay. Now cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D formula we know 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 means x minus A plus x plus A. Plus A minus A will be cancelled. So 2x by 2, that to cos x only. So cos C plus cos D is only cos x. 2 cos x. And cos C minus D is x minus A minus x minus A. So x minus x minus x will be cancelled, and minus A minus plus A. We will get only cos A minus A minus A. So it is coming cos of minus 2a by 2, cos of minus a, cos of minus a, again cos a. So let us write. It will be 2 cos x cos a. 2 cos x cos a. And here it will be 2 sin x cos a. And next will be cos a tan x plus cot x. Tan x plus cot x. Next cos x plus a sin x minus a cos a cot x. And next cos x sin x cosec 2x. Okay. Now let us write, let us take common 2 cos a from the first column. So we will write 2 cos a and it will be only cos x. Here it will be only sin x. And tan x plus cot x, instead of tan x by cot x, tan x plus cot x means sin x by cos x plus cos x by sin x. So it is coming 1 by sin x cos x look here, I am expanding here, 1 by, sorry, tan x plus cot x. How I am getting 2 here, that's why. Tan x plus tan x means sin x by cos x and cos x by sin x. So we can write cos x so it is coming actually sin x by cos x plus cos x by sin x. Okay. Now take common, sorry, this is the LCM sin x cos x, and it is coming sin square x plus cos square, that gives us only 1. So it is coming actually 1 by sin x cos x. So we have to make it 2, just 2 sin 2x cos x, 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x here. If we write 2 sin x cos x, then this part will be sin 2x. This part will be 1 by sin 2x. So 1 by sin 2x means cosec 2x. So we can write 2 cosec 2x. We can write 2 cosec 2. This is the rough work. 2 cosec 2x. So here instead of cos A, then instead of tan x plus cot x, we can write 2 cosec 2x. Now 2 cos A, 2 cos A here, 2 cos A here, and here cos A, and then from here we will get 2 cosec x, that too also taken outside, 2 cos A again, 2 cos A at last we will get from the first column. So here we will get only cosec 2x. I think now it is clear. Cosec 2x. Cosec 2x, okay? And here already cos x plus A, sin x minus A, cos A, cot x, and here it is cos x, sin x, cosec 2x. Okay, this is the rough work. Just see how I'm getting tan x plus cot x is equal to 2 cosec 2x. The 2 cos A cosec 2x, then 2 cos A taken outside. Okay, now first column and the third column, these two columns identical. So value of the determinant will be 0. Why? Because C1 is equal to C3. Since C1 is equal to C3. Next sum. Next sum number 15, and this is the last sum for 2 marks questions. 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power 4, 5 cube, 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 5, 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 6, 5 to the power 7. That is equal to 0. That we have to prove. So same thing, let us start from left hand side. So this is equal to 0. Now 5 square, 5 cube and 5 to the power 4. We can take outside the determinant. So 5 square into 5 cube into 5 to the power 4, if we take outside. 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power 4. First column it is taken 5 square taken from the first row. 5 square taken from the first row. So 5 square, then it will be only 1. 5 square taken out, so it is only 5. 5 square, so it is coming 5 square. Next 5 cube taken out, so it is second row, it will be 1. Then 5 cube means it will be 5. Then it is 5 square, as it is 5 to the power 5. Next it is 5 square, so it is coming 5 to the power 4 taken out, so it will be only 1. 5 square now, and it is 5 to the power 3, 5 cube. So 1 5 5 square, 1 5 5 square, 1 5 square, 5 cube. Very simple. 1 5 5 square already we have got in the first two rows. So value of the determinant obviously equal to 0, since R1 is equal to R2. So this is the property. Now 2 marks questions now completed. Now we will start the 4 marks questions coming with new video. Thank you.